today with a grateful heart for every gift life sets apart. Through every step, through joy and pain, I see the sun break through the rain. There's music burning in my soul, a guiding flame, a higher goal. From humble dreams to where we stand, a brighter future close at hand. Grateful heart, burning bright, dancing through the dream tonight. Every blessing, every star lies forever in my heart. Grateful heart, strong and true, pulling me and pulling you together, rising hand in hand to the rhythm of this land. To the rhythm of this land. This journey taught me how to lead, through love and trust in every deed. The music flows with purpose clear, a voice of hope the world can hear. With Ash and all who stand beside, a vision growing far and wide. For family, friends and souls in need, we soar on brighter, world will see. Grateful heart, burning bright, dancing through the dream tonight. Every blessing, every star lasts forever in my heart. Grateful heart, strong and true, pulling me and pulling you together, rising hand in hand to the rhythm of this land. Through every song, through every sound, that deeper reason now is found. When love and vision light the way, tomorrow turns to brighter day. One shared dream across the earth, awakening hearts to all their worth. Grateful heart, burning bright, shining through the darkest night. Every voice and every part sings the fire within the heart. Grateful heart, bold and free, this is who I'm called to be. Together rising hand in hand with grateful hearts across the land.